You ever wanted to access exclusive student discounts or premium tools, but got stuck because you didn't have a EDU email address? Well, you're not alone. Many people miss out on amazing deals simply because they don't have the right email. But what if I told you there's a little-known website that can help you get a free email in seconds? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to unlock these benefits with a simple trick. Let's dive in and see how you can start saving today. Most platforms and online services offer special perks for students, but there's a catch. You need a EDU email address to qualify. Without it, you're locked out of student pricing, free trials, and exclusive software deals. This can be frustrating, especially when you see others enjoying these benefits. But don't worry, there's a solution that doesn't require you to enroll in a university or wait for official approval. Let's move on to the tool that makes this possible. Here's the step-by-step process. First, go to tempmily.com. This website is designed to generate temporary email addresses in just a few clicks. Once you're on the site, simply click the button to generate your new EDU email. Copy the email address provided and use it to sign up for any student offer you want. It's fast, easy, and completely free. Now you can access all those student-only deals and premium tools without any hassle. With your new EDU email, a world of discounts and premium resources opens up. You can now access special pricing on software, tools, and countless student-only offers that were previously out of reach. Whether you're looking for productivity apps, online courses, or tech gadgets, having an EDU email gives you an edge. Remember, this method is quick and doesn't require any complicated steps. Start exploring these benefits today and make the most of your student status, even if you're not officially enrolled.